Have you ever noticed how some women reveal their emotions not with grand declarations, but through those tiny glimpses they offer just to you? Here's the real deal. When she invites you into her private thoughts, it's signaling something profound. Beyond mere curiosity or spark, it's a deeper bond. In the coming moments, you'll uncover the 5 subtle shares a woman reserves solely for the guy who's already captured her soul. Stick around, because by that last clue, you'll pinpoint the instant her walls come tumbling down. No delays. Let's dive right in. Number 1. She opens up with her raw ideas. Folks usually present only their shiny, curated sides. Yet when a woman senses security around you, her thoughts flow freely. She spills her spontaneous musings, those midnight doubts, her straight-from-the-hip views. That's raw emotional openness. It shows her inner self trusts you so much. It unveils the hidden corners she keeps from the world. Your role: skip the critiques or fixes. Just hear her out, affirm her. Prove her unpolished mind finds refuge with you. That kind of heartfelt security forges a tie stronger than any flattery could dream of. Number 2. She lets slip bits of her history, not the blockbuster tales or the gut-wrenching splits, but the quiet snapshots, like that favorite teacher from grade school, the silly tag her family stuck on her, or the instant that sparked her self-assurance. These nuggets emerge only when she believes you're truly grasping who she is. It's connection via shared emotional echoes. What to do? Tuck those away. Weave them back in casually down the line. It proves you're tuned in deeper than most guys bother to be. And get this, few catch on that these little flashbacks tie straight into a bigger reveal coming at number 1. Because the true game changer hits when she exposes the slice of herself she guards fiercest. Number 3. She unveils her true dreams for the future. Forget the shallow aims like a new gig or getaway. The profound blueprint, the serene existence she's after, the calling she's eager to chase. This unfolds only if she envisions you as a steady partner in the journey, not a fleeting visitor. Smart move. Hold off on touting your own roadmap. Instead, pose curious questions. Make her sense her aspirations truly count for you. Ever notice how when a woman's hopes get that genuine ear, her pull toward you grows effortlessly? Number 4. She confides her hidden worries. Not the glaring ones, but those soft spots of doubt. The stuff she dodges sharing, fearing it'll paint her as fragile. When a woman exposes her inner tensions to you, she's handing over keys to a guarded corner of her mind. Your play: keep cool, stay solid, resist the urge to patch it up quick. Your even keel lets her instincts link you with calm. When a worry surfaces, meet it with quiet support, not push. That steady vibe builds faith quicker than any pep talk. Number 5. She discloses her deep-seated sensitivities. Flashback to number 4's memory shares? Yeah, this is their payoff. When she goes deep enough to map out what wounds her, irks her, or flips her switch to off, she's sketching the path to her core. It's peak intimacy. She knows you'll safeguard this intel, how to handle it. Approach those sensitivities with tenderness. Reply from empathy, not pride. Think about it. When a guy navigates a woman's emotional rhythms with grace, she latches on in a way that's tough to shake. There you have it. The 5 tells that a woman cherishes you beyond the surface. Bonds aren't random chance. They're crafted with real attention, truth, and that quiet grasp of feelings. Your focus, it lands heavy. Your poise, it's the rock. And your own worth? That's the heartbeat of any real tie you form. Hold up, don't swipe away. That clip teasing you right there, jump on it. It's the mind boost you've been craving. Oh, and subscribe while you're at it. Tons more eye-opening gems on human connections dropping your way. Catch you soon. Stay strong, and blessings.